Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can turn off your live notification on Instagram. First you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen and it's going to take you to your Instagram profile. From over here at the top you can see the three line. Click on the three lines and then go inside where it says settings. From over here the second option where it says notifications, click on it and then scroll a bit down until you see this option called live and reels. Click on live and reels. From over here scroll a bit down and where it says live videos, make sure it's off. When you turn this off, whenever somebody goes live like your friend, you're not going to get any notification. Just like this, you have just turned off your live notification. So now you are going to get no notifications related to live, but you are still going to get other notifications because all the other notifications are on, alright? So that's how you guys can turn off your live location on Instagram. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel 1 step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.